should be at least a 9. Do not argue. Whatever.
For the next DIY, I'm gonna first paint the canvas using a white brush and some black acrylic paint. Toby and I have a very interesting vision for this one. We wanna create a 3D masterpiece which will represent stars on the night sky. Okay, the canvas is pitch black, so we can put it on the ground. Before we proceed, we gotta apply a layer of decoupage glue. Right now it looks white, but don't worry, when it dries, it turns transparent, which is perfect for what we're looking for. We can take a balloon filled with tiny white and silver styrofoam balls. When Toby drives over it, the balls should explode all over our black canvas. Fingers crossed this goes as planned. It did work quite okay, but the majority of stars landed mainly on one half of the canvas. So Toby, we need to drive over another balloon to even things out. Oh yes, this one was filled with silver glitter and I think our creation looks perfect now. When the decoupage glue dries, this is what we're left with. Amazing, don't you think? If you watch my channel for a while, you know that I'm obsessed with galaxies, space, stars and all that. I like the 3D feel of this DIY and also love these 3 random balloon pieces that landed on here as well. I mean, a tiny pop of color never hurt nobody.
What do you say, Professor? Isn't it amazing? Well, this is absolutely brilliant. High five!
Toby told me that he loves creating with puffy paint, so he wants to make another masterpiece with this foamy goodness. For a nicer background, I first spray painted a canvas in blue. Next, I'm placing bags filled with puffy paint along one side of the canvas. Before driving over it, I cut the corners of the bag to make it a bit more predictable where the paint will splash out. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Whoa, that was pretty cool to watch! As you can see, the puffy paints flatten and spread after a while. All in all, the end result is super cute. I wish more of that yellow and purple would actually end up on the canvas, but not bad. The texture, the colors and overall look seem very nice to me, but who knows what the teacher thinks.
It's a 5. Only 5? Why? Because I said so.
Because I said so.
Excuse me, is there a problem? No, miss. Good.
What happens if you fill balloons with paint and drive over them? I have no clue, but let's find out together. Come on, Toby, it's your turn. I put a canvas on the ground and placed 3 balloons filled with paint on top. One balloon managed to escape, but I think our masterpiece needs a lot more color, so I flipped it and bring on more balloons. Who knew that the balloons will be so difficult to pop? Toby and I will give it one more shot. Gotcha! Finally, the purple balloon was ready to cooperate with us. When the painting dried, this is what we ended up with. A fun abstract creation, and I must say I quite like it. I love the colors and the tire prints, plus the marble design that formed when colors mixed up a bit. Yep, I approve it for sure. But what I don't like is all the mess that we've made. It's gonna take a whole lot of brushing and scrubbing to clean. But I'm gonna deal with this mess later. Let's first see what score the teacher gives us.
Again, these muddy colors is just not my cup of tea. 4. Where's 4? Whatever. Quite okay.
Besides being an amazing artist, Toby has a great sense for fashion, so he'll help me pimp up this plain black t-shirt. Take some fabric paint and apply it on a canvas or just straight to the car tire. You can make different patterns like chevron, lines, or any kind of drawings. I want to be on a safe side, so I'm going for the easiest version, which are horizontal stripes. The plan is for Toby to dip his feet, aka a tire, in the paint and then make a print on the t-shirt. Ready? Let's go! Cool! Even the canvas turned out awesome, which is an amazing little bonus piece of art we got from this DIY. But the main one is coming now. Alright, it's time to drive over it! That's so nice! I like it a lot! Such a fun DIY clothes idea! This could actually be a great gift for someone that loves cars, motorcycles and things like that. I'm very impressed with Toby's fashion designing skills. And the bonus canvas painting that we got from this DIY turned out pretty cool as well. It's similar to the stripy tire pattern we made earlier, but this one has more potent colors, plus I like the 3D texture even more. Can't wait to find out teacher's score for Toby's epic DIY t-shirt.
That's interesting. It's a gift for you. You can have it. Really? Oh, nice. How does it look on me? Honestly, you look hot. Oh, stop. You think? Well, good job. It's a 10. A 10! Yes! With an average score of 6.7, Toby has passed the qualifications and now we have a new art student. Bravo! Bravo!